Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Femke and it has been a hot minute since I last posted a full-length video. As you can see right here, some nails are shorter. I had a terrible nail break on my thumb like 4 weeks ago. I have a super bad cold. I've had a little bit of a flu. It was just a messy month, let's just put it to that. You might even still hear it in my voice. I'm still a little bit like cold, like, if you know what I mean, but let's just ignore that and let's go into the polishes, because I asked you guys on Instagram and as well in a shorts video here on YouTube whether or not you would like me to do, or still like me to do, a swatch and review video on the Catrice Mystic Forest limited edition nail polishes. These are maybe still in stores, maybe they just got out of stores. If you are lucky just like me, you got your hands on them. I think these came out like mid-September. And I actually got them halfway through October, so I was already a little late, but I actually got these for $2.99 a bottle. I got the liquid eyeshadows as well, which I have already posted a shorts video on earlier. If you want to see those, definitely check it out. But let's just get into this first color already, because these are some really gorgeous polishes, especially for fall, winter, or just the holiday season in general. This first one is called Enchanting Lights. It is a little bit on the more sheer side, definitely compared to the other colors that are in this like small limited edition collection, but it definitely is a stunner. There is so many beautiful like glittery shimmer in here. I didn't really have a lot of issues removing them after swatching. Actually, I was really surprised with that too. I really expected this, or at least this first one, that I really had to like scrub my nails and really just soak the glitter and shimmer off, but it wasn't as bad as I expected. But yeah, this first coat, it's still a little patchy, a little bit sheer every now and then, but I really didn't dislike it at all, and a second coat will definitely fix it. I will be swatching the 3 colors for 2 coats as usual, just to show you what they're truly capable of. And as you saw a little earlier in the video, I have applied a base coat on forehand off camera to save a little time on this footage. And as you can see here, I will be swatching on both of my hands. So usually I only swatch my non-dominant hand, so I can actually paint with my right hand, which is my dominant one, but I will be doing both hands. And since it has been a hot minute since I actually even painted my nails, I think it's been like fully painted my nails with like a manicure that lasted a week. I think it's been months that I've actually done that. I just don't have enough time, to be honest. My little boy is almost 11 months old at the moment. Can you believe how fast time goes? Like, I can remember when I was full on pregnant with him. Like, he's such a big boy already. He's like standing up, almost walking already. It is crazy. But yeah, it's been a really hot minute that I actually sat down, painted my nails, did a full-on manicure, let alone record a video. So I'm a little bit rusty, or at least I feel like I am a little rusty, especially looking at the footage. I feel like I'm a little bit out of frame every now and then, especially painting my dominant hand. So please ignore that. I will hopefully get back into recording weekly again when my health will allow it and I've got enough time on my hands to actually do so. But there's like a lot happening in my life at the moment, all positive things mostly, I have to say, apart from like the cold and the flu that's been going around like crazy here. But yeah, I will get back into that later. Let's just focus on the second color I'm swatching already for the first coat. This one is called Falling Leaves. This is very shimmery, almost metallic like, and kind of like duochrome. I feel like there is a nice shift going on in there that is really visible once we have applied the second layer, and I have to say it is more visible in real life than it actually comes across on camera. But that's just a little side note that I wanted to add, because on camera it kind of looks like just a plain purple, somewhat metallic-y polish, but in real life it actually has a really nice duochrome shift. This third one, which is the final one already from this small limited edition collection, is called Woodland Magic. It is one of those hybrid colors, I love to call them like that, because it kind of is a green, but it shifts toward a golden green, if you know what I mean. It's not like a true green, like grass green or wood green or anything like that, or forest green, I have to say. But it is so shimmery. It is very similar to the first color, but it's just a lot more green. And I do feel like color wise it's more packed with that same shimmer, and it's not really like glitter, it's like very finely milled glitter, like more of a shimmer, but it is so gorgeous and it is so opaque within that first coat. I really didn't expect that. Just make sure to not overwork these polishes. It goes for all three because there is so much shimmer going on in there. They kind of look metallic-y, and metallic polishes tend to drag a little bit, and you can really see the brush strokes. So just load up your brush nicely and just float the polish on top of your nail plate, and that way you actually get the most flawless effect. But just look at how opaque this one is within the first coat. Oh, and here I went out of frame. I'm so sorry guys, shit happened a lot. It was like recording for the first time in like 1.5 months, maybe 2 months. Like, it's crazy. This is not me. I feel like I kind of lost myself a little bit, like not recording, and I really started to miss it. So I was actually, while my little boy was napping for like an hour, I just quickly sat down, like cleared my desk, just like swiped it all off of my desk what was on there, and I was like, I have to record right now because I feel like I'm losing myself. So yeah, that is pretty much what I did when I recorded this video in like, I think it was 20 minutes or something. It was super quick. I was like, I have to record. But yeah, sometimes life just gets so chaotic. Like, even now I'm recording this voiceover like 2 days after recording the footage. One of my cats is just so eager to get on my desk, and I have to like keep like fending him off. It's like crazy. Like, usually he's just calmly sleeping on my lap or anything, but now he feels like, I want to sit on your desk and I want to sit on everything, like on your keyboard. I want to like tap everything, and if he does, this video is effed up. But yeah, you know, life happens and life is kind of chaotic, but you know, that's just what it is. But I'm already going in with the second coat for all three polishes. So this first one, Enchanting Lights, it is completely opaque within 2 coats. Like, the first coat was still patchy and somewhat sheer, but never judge a polish by its first coat, because usually it will be so much better with the second. I just really love the shimmer that's in here. Also, just look at the bottles itself, like the packaging, it is so gorgeous. Like, same goes for the liquid eyeshadows that I shared in a shorts video as well. The packaging is spot on. I really love it, and I have to say, I am a sucker for packaging. And when I saw this collection, I was like, I'm not sure if I really need any more nail polishes, because I was already like not feeling well and not recording since I had that massive nail tear in my thumb. Oh, that was a whole other story. If you want to see something nasty, check out my community post where I actually took a photo of my already somewhat cleaned up nail. It was almost completely like through across the entire nail. It was such a freak show. I was like bleeding all over the place. But yeah, it was a hot mess, and it was quite painful as well. Like, I've had my fair share throughout the years of like terrible nail breaks, because that's just what happens when you have long natural nails. Like, I think I break a nail like once or twice a year, and sometimes it gets really gory and just, it was quite painful. But this one was a whole other level. Like, I had to clean with rubbing alcohol just to disinfect it all, like in the flesh, in the open flesh. Like, this is such a nasty little story right now. I'm sorry if you're like eating anything at the moment, but you know, this is just something that happens every now and then. But yeah, if you want to see something nasty, definitely check out that community post, because I posted a photo of what happened, and after that I got like sick, or not really like sick. I actually still went to work and stuff like that, but that's just me. But yeah, that was just kind of like the start of my not recording era. Let's just put it at that. But yeah, let's get back to the video. I've missed you guys so much. I have so much to talk about. I'm just gonna like squish it all into one video, or maybe I'm going to like record a new nail polish of the week video in which I will answer some questions, like a Q&A nail polish of the week video. If you want to see that, let me know in the comments down below, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below as well, so I can actually answer those for you during like a nail swatcheroo. Yeah, I don't really have a lot more else to talk about right now before it gets really like all over the place and rambly, which is something that a lot of you actually like when I got super rambly. But yeah, I really enjoyed this little limited edition collection. I hope you were lucky enough, just like me, to get your hands on these as well. I really love the third greeny gold one. It's super gorgeous. Usually I'm not a green fan, but this one has pretty much stolen my heart. And yeah, let me know what you think about these. They were actually really inexpensive, just a little below €3 a bottle. Catrice is vegan, they are cruelty free, they are safe to use, and yeah, just really good quality, and just price wise, they are super budget proof. I actually got mine at my local drugstore, but you might get them online at some web stores. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in my next video as well.